Hello boys and girls, day 162. It's a big number. Once again, I'm already confused with the numbers and I don't really pay attention to them all that much, but it has been a really cool experience to see that you can change drastically. Now I need to change again to adapt to the body, trying to adapt to the workouts, and I think better food quality, like more vegetable, less garbage, would be the next big thing to focus on. So far, the update that I gave a couple of days ago, I meant that I will keep on training. I will stop doing the videos. I will do the videos once per month, like as a general update, similar to these ones, but just it's going to be once per month, because right now the camera has been helping me as a kind of journaling system, and as of late it's been getting in my way more so than helping me, because the workout is brief for now, and I don't know, I would like to focus more on the training itself rather than the movie making part of it. Anyway, as yesterday, less talking, let's do the workout. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting, throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. And we're finished for the day. Today was more focused on the exercises, on doing them correctly in tempo so that it's not too slow, not too fast. I think I did a pretty good job. Feel great, feel really pumped for the day. Trained yesterday, trained today, we'll train tomorrow. See you then. Bye.